This is Omwami 360. We're right here in Kwa Vonza. Kwa Vonza. Look at that beauty. Like, what are you doing? Rhythm of nature, gungulu, 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 gungulu. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Rhythm of nature. Yo. Bongo, bongo, bongo. Bongo, bongo. Bongo, bongo is gone. Bongo, bongo is gone. Beautiful Kenya. Everywhere is a view, everywhere. Everywhere is a view, man. Lots of those bongo-bongos over there. African land. So we're right here at Kwa Vonza. Kwa Vonza. Yeah, that's how they pronounce it. Kwa Vonza. This is in the border of I think Machakos and is it Kitui or Makueni? Hit it on the comments over there. So we're right here at Kwa Vonza. It's a road trip, polite road trip, beautiful sights. As I've shown you a bit of it, I even showed you the Obongo-Bongo. We used to call them Obongo-Bongos in primary school. I don't know why. Maybe it's because yeah, maybe it's because of that. So if it's your first time here, this is Omwami 360. We're right here at Kwa Vonza. Kwa Vonza in Ukambani. This is in Kenya, the eastern parts of Kenya. It's a bit of a semi-arid area. You can see, no, not semi-arid, like it's savanna. As you go further down the road, that's when you find like the semi-arid areas, but it's a savanna. Yeah, so we're just right here. Yeah, the Obongo-Bongo is back. The Obongo-Bongo. Look at that. He's just trying to check me out. It's like, yeah, you, what are you doing here, man? What are you doing here? There were actually two. I was just watching them go along. Yep. What do you call it in English? I don't know. So yeah, some of the things are seeing nature, enjoying nature. Keep it locked, man. Share with your friends. This is Omwami 360. We're right here in Kwa Vonza. Kwa Vonza. Oh man, look at that here, look at that here. Sorry about that. Yeah, man. Keep it locked.